Hello everybody, I'm Salvatore by Cademia Siciliana, and today we're talking about the verb taliare. Taliare means to watch, to look, to observe, and it's a bit particular because it comes from Catalan, and Catalan took it from Arabic. In Arabic, it was talha. Then it passed into Catalan in the word atalaya, which meant tower, and then from atalaya to talaiar, with the meaning of watch, observe, and from Catalan talaiar to Sicilian taliaru. There is also another verb with the same meaning that is vaidaru, and it's related to Italian guardare and French regarder. So now let's conjugate it, and at the end we will say a few sentences, a few sample sentences. So, taliu, talii, talia, taliamu, taliate, talianu. Okay, let's repeat. Taliu, talii, talia, taliamu, taliate, talianu. I have omitted the subjects because, as you know, Sicilian is a pro-drop language. That is, we don't need the subject because we can understand what the subject is depending on the way the verb ends. So every time it ends with u, we can understand that it's I. Okay, so when you say taliu, taliu, okay, that u at the beginning, at the end, makes us understand that it's the first person. Okay, the first singular person. A few sentences we can buy with the verb taliari could be taliu I picciridi ka juokanu. Taliu I picciridi ka juokanu. I watch the kids playing. Or one other example could be taliamo a partita ossario. Taliamo a partita ossario. We watch the match at the stadium. Okay. That's all, guys. If you need any information, you can message Cademia Siciliana on Facebook, and see you next time. Goodbye.